Hello, welcome to this channel. This is a new project I'm starting today. So I'm going to create YouTube videos in order to share my journey with you guys about software development and how to build projects, how to ship them, how to do some specific things in the technologies I'm familiar with. And hopefully you can learn something from this, and I can improve my English, because as you can probably hear, I'm not a native English speaker. So okay, so let's go. Okay, so the first project is going to be a very simple software about a car rental business. So it's like you go on a page, and on the page you have on the left side a form where you can input all your informations about the rental, like vehicle immatriculation number, like vehicle fuel level, and so on and so on. And on the right side you have a live preview about the document that's going to be generated, that you can just print as a PDF. So basically I will try to do this in front end only for now, and if the project catches on, we will add a backend to this and make things more complicated. But for now, we will start with something really simple. In order to show you guys what I mean, let's jump to Excalibur and I will explain this to you. Okay, so let's say we have, let's create a square first of all. So this is the form. We have a form input here. And this is where we have our preview. Okay, we have the preview here. So this is just the page. We have a page like this. Okay, and let's say the form, maybe you have something like you have multiple form inputs here. Okay, you have your inputs, and there you have your, I will not even add a submit button. This could be a live preview, okay? And we can add a button to print the document, maybe here. We can move this over here. Okay, so we have a button here to print the document, or up top, I don't know. Yeah, makes more sense up top, okay? So this is going to be a simple page, no login required, nothing like that. So the goal is also to be SEO friendly, because this has to be found on the internet. So let's say we have our hero here. This is our hero section, and we have our description here, description, and we have maybe, I don't know, a logo, something like this over here. We have our logo here. Okay, move this a little, what it is about. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to use probably Next.js for this, because I want this to be SEO friendly. Let's see, what else do we need? Yeah, for now I think that's enough. We can just print the PDF from the browser. If we make a special page that's designed to be printable, we can just make the page from the browser. Anything that needs to be saved is going to be saved in local storage from the browser side. We don't need any backend for this for now, and maybe we will add some kind of button here to have a call to action to, maybe, I don't know, log in to save data or something like this. Okay, and we will have some kind of, you know, to know if users want more about this. Okay, so in order to do that, we need Next.js. Let's set up first of all Next.js. Okay, docs, installation. This is the command. Jump into the terminal. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. I'm going to my Git folder and type this. Okay, let's call this, I don't know, frontal project, TypeScript, yes, ESLint, yes, Tailwind, yes, source no, app router, yes. Would like to customize the default import alias, yes, this can help. Actually I don't want to customize it, just use this, okay. So now that this is installing, I will probably just create a simple app where it's going to be one page basically. I will try to do it one page, and when you come, you have the form, you fill up the form, and you have your document that gets spitted out automatically. Okay. So now I go into the project. Okay, and I can open my editor inside of this. Okay, so I have the project now. Let me zoom this out a little. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we are running localhost 3000. Okay, we have our app. Okay, let's start cleaning things up a little. Let's clean this up. Okay, page. I probably don't need any of this. Let me see where I am at. Okay, so this is page, I guess. Let me see. Page, Next.js logo. Okay, footer. Okay, I'm just going to delete all of this and return. Okay, so this is our main page. We have some default styles that I'm all going to remove. I don't need this. Metadata, I will keep it and update it later. Okay, remove this. Metadata. Okay, so this is the metadata about the page. Okay, so this is our page. The favicon, we don't need this. Some styles, we have a background color and a foreground color. Yeah, okay. Donc, I'm going to remove this because this is not targeted at developers. So white mode is perfectly okay. We have the font and we have everything else. Okay, so we are looking good now. So this is our, let's say, our clean project. We don't need the fonts. Let's remove that. We have our readme here. Okay. Okay, so this is our page. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We need a preview component and we need a form component. First of all, if we look at our very simplistic schema over here, okay, this is the for component, this is the preview component. Okay, so we can just create that. Okay, components, form, and we need also preview. Okay, form, this is a React component, form. I will not just use form because this is kind of reserved for certain libraries. So I'm going to do, let's say, form side. Okay, form side and preview side. Okay, rename preview side. Okay, edit this, LFC preview side. Okay, so these are my two components and I'm going to put this into my page like so. Create a div like this. So we're going to be flex, justify, between, and we have preview side, but we have before form side. Okay, let me make this a little bit prettier. Okay. Okay, so if we jump into this component and we make some, okay, we have form and we're not, okay, so now we have form and preview. Okay, this is really basic for now, but should take shape as we go. Okay, so we have our main components about this app. We are going to need some kind of UI components. So for this, I'm going to be using shad UI. Okay, docs. Let's see how we install this. Next.js, just this, npm. What else? Configure the components. Okay. Okay. Okay, just netcall. Yes. What else? What else for this? What else? Yeah, that's it. So just like that, we have shadcn installed. Let me check. Okay. Let me try this out really quick to see if everything is working correctly. Okay. Okay, so we have our button now, and if we add into our page, just, I don't know, slap a button here, should be working. All right, we have our button here. Okay, so this is good. So I'm going to look for some cards in order to make my design, because I need basically two big squares here, one with the form and one with the preview. Okay, is a card good for this? We have a card here. Yeah, let me try this out. npm. I'm going to switch this to light mode. Sorry about this, because but the project is going to be aimed at non-developers, so yeah, I think light mode is easier for most people that are not technical, you know. Okay, so we have this. We're going to add the card, and basically our components are just going to be cards. Okay, so preview side is going to be a card. Okay, the form side, this is okay, form, and preview side. We need to import this. Okay, so we have a card here, everything's good. We will need the form library for this. We need a way to create forms and to validate forms and so on. I like React Hook form. You can do whatever you want for this, but this is the one I'm the most familiar with, and I think it's easy to use. So I will go with that. Get started, installation, install React Hook form. Okay. Just paste this, and what else? Use form, submit handler, which is our function to handle everything, on submit, form on submit, handle submit, and so on. Register. Okay, so that's it. We just need this and we're good. Okay, so this is probably installed now. Okay, great. Okay, so the project is set up now. What we can try to do now is try and start and build some components to structure this a little more, and have everything in place that we can progress on. Okay, so on the form side, what I will need is, let's try to first of all list our requirements for these projects. Okay, maybe it will be easier to see where we're going. So let's go into this, and what do we need? What do we need on this? We need vehicle. We need this. We need mileage. We need fuel level. We need a way to pick damage report image. Okay. We need what do we need again? Damage report image. We need this. Let's have a quick look. Vehicle contract PDF. Okay, as simple as that. Let's check what we need. I like this. Okay, what do we need? We need customer information. We need all kind of, okay. So this is the damage report. Customer information. Okay. So we need, so let's call this customer info. Okay. Let's delete this. So this is going to be customer info. This is going to be damage report. Okay. This is going to be vehicle info. Okay. Some kind of pricing info. We need this. We put the damage report. So this is the pricing info. Okay. What else? Terms at the bottom of the page here. Some kind of signature area. Okay. Maybe two, one for the customer and one for the business. Okay. Yeah, what else is on this preview document? Yeah. Vehicle info. We will put all the necessary informations about the car. Additional driver's name. We don't need that. We don't need this. Maybe we need a header for the page. Customer info. Okay, so we'll have the header and everything. Actually, this is all of this basically is how it's going to be generated. Okay, but the form, we can effectively split this into sections. So when you come on the app, you fill the customer info, then the vehicle info, then the rental terms. At the end, you add the pricing information and so on. Okay, so this is the section we need. So let's try and create first of all the component for this. What I will do is I will create a pair of components for each sections. For example, you have customer info. I will have customer info form and customer info preview. Okay. The form being like kind of a child of the preview one. The preview know what it needs, and the form just allow the user to input the information. Okay. So I will do this. Let's add a folder, customer info. Okay. This is not a folder. Customer info. Okay. So customer info preview. Okay. So in this, we'll have our component here. Customer info preview. But we also have our props. Okay. Customer info preview props. And this is going to be, yeah, let's keep it like that for now. But what I want to basically show is that we're going to use this interface as the same input for the customer info form. Okay, let's format this a little. Customer info preview props. Okay. Okay, and we have the customer info form. Okay, form. Okay, and RFC if it wants to. Does not want to. Why does it not want to complete my thing? Okay, customer info form. Okay, and this is going to take in the same data as the customer info preview props. Okay, because this is the source of truth kind of thing. Okay, customer info preview. Okay, we have our preview, we have our form, so we can already add this to our components. Okay, customer info form, and we have customer info preview. Okay, now we need a way to pass data between the form side and the preview side. Okay, let's keep it simple, stupid, KISS. We could use state management for this, but we are not going to. We are just going to store everything at this level and pass data back and forth like this. Okay, so this is going to be to accept a value from the form. Actually, we don't even need to pass data back because the preview does not change the data, so we can just forward the data to the preview side. We don't need any state management for this. We don't need to overcomplicate things. Let's keep it simple. We can just do it like this. Okay, so we can add some kind of state here. So this is going to be our state. Use state if it wants to. Use state. Okay, and we will define the type for this whenever. Okay, so the form side, we will need some kind of onChange function. Form side onChange. Okay, onChange, which is going to pass, let's say, values. Any for now, we will modify this later. And okay, onChange, which is going to pass, let's say, values. Any for now, we will modify this later. And this, we take a form side props. Okay, from side props. Okay, and we have our onChange function here. This is our form where we'll forward the onSubmit event handler from this. Okay, and we're good. Okay, so basically when that changes on the preview side, we also need to accept a value to refresh the preview when the user changes the data in the form in real time. Okay, interface, preview side props, and we can take a value which is going to be any for now, and we can just, you know, value preview side props. Okay, and to show you how that would work, let's just, you know, JSON stringify the value here. And if you go on the form side, then we'll make a simple input. I don't know, input and change. Let's handle this real quick. Okay, I have our onChange function here. onChange. Okay, and we need to handle the event default onChange, and we call this text equals e target value. Okay, and on our app we can just link these together. Okay, preview side needs a value, we're going to give it state. Okay, and form side has an onChange, which is going to set state. Okay, so as simple as that, we should have a working prototype of what we want to do. Okay, what is this? You can add use client. Okay, yeah, this is basically next stuff. This is the page TSX. Okay, page. Happy now? Okay, we have our input here. As you can see, when I tap something in the left, the right automatically updates with the change. Okay, so this is the simple principle of what we are going to build. I think this is it for this video. What we are going to do in the next video is that we are going to set up a React hook form and begin building the form and have the preview working on a more serious level, and hopefully add some UI details, because yeah, this looks kind of ugly for now. So okay, see you in the next video, guys. Ciao.